a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, security system, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.